Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, a stunning international development with serious implications for the Caribbean. American prosecutors unveil a sweeping indictment alleging a state-run drug trafficking network. And tonight, explosive claims that Caribbean politicians may also be implicated. Also tonight, a tragedy on the nation's roads. 2 people killed in a fiery crash in Trelawney, their vehicle bursting into flames. And a deadly confrontation in Manchester. 3 men killed in a police shootout. Plus, there's good news tonight. A moment of honesty and civic duty. A St. Mary taxi operator is being hailed by police. And there's more good news tonight. Jamaican excellence abroad. Jamaican-born Mayor Denise Grant named one of Florida's most influential black women, recognized for leadership, service, and impact. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. This year, we've got great rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you unlock rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shout-outs for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a FUI Star or FUI Elite member right now. That's it. Simple and quick. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout-out. Thank you for joining. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with a sweeping federal indictment unsealed in the United States that is sending shockwaves across the Caribbean tonight. U.S. prosecutors allege that Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro and members of his inner circle operated a state-sponsored drug trafficking network, smuggling massive quantities of cocaine into the United States over several years. According to the indictment, the operation relied on a corrupt system of payoffs, with traffickers allegedly bribing high-ranking politicians across the Caribbean and Central America to secure protection from arrest and allow shipments to move freely along key transit routes. Prosecutors claim government resources, including military escorts and diplomatic passports, were used to facilitate drug shipments in coordination with violent international cartels. The indictment further alleges that proceeds from drug trafficking were used to finance political power, launder money, and carry out acts of violence, kidnappings, and intimidation to maintain control. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi said the case is aimed at holding the Venezuelan administration accountable for turning the country into what she described as a safe haven for narcotics trafficking and global terrorism. While no Caribbean politicians are publicly named in the indictment, prosecutors allege that elected officials along the so-called Caribbean route accepted payments to protect traffickers, raising serious concerns about governance, regional security, and political integrity. The revelations have sparked concern across the region. Trinidad and Tobago Prime Minister Kamla Persad-Bissesa drew attention after reposting details of the indictment on social media and voicing support for tougher action against the illegal drug trade. Here in Jamaica, neither the governing Jamaica Labour Party nor the People's National Party has commented publicly. Both declined to speak on the record. Meanwhile, Nicolás Maduro appeared in a New York courtroom where he pleaded not guilty to multiple drug trafficking and conspiracy charges. In a defiant moment, Maduro told the court, quote, "I was captured," end quote, insisting he remains the constitutional president of Venezuela. His wife, Celia Flores, also pleaded not guilty. The Venezuelan leader says they will challenge the legality of what they describe as a military abduction, arguing that he's entitled to head of state immunity, a claim the U.S. government rejects. The 25-page indictment accuses Maduro and his associates of facilitating the shipment of thousands of tons of cocaine into the United States, charges that carry the potential of life imprisonment if convicted. Our neighbor Cuba has also entered the conversation, claiming 32 Cuban military and police officers were killed during the U.S. operation, a claim the United States has not independently confirmed. U.S. officials say Cuban security forces had long been embedded within Maduro's internal security apparatus. Closer to home, the Caribbean community CARICOM is calling for peaceful dialogue and diplomatic solutions to ensure stability for the Venezuelan people. Following an emergency meeting, CARICOM leaders reiterated their commitment to international law and multilateral cooperation while monitoring the potential impact on regional security, air travel, and economic activity. We'll, of course, continue to follow all the latest developments and we'll bring them to you as soon as they become available. Turning to weather, we have a weather alert. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica has extended the flash flood watch for several eastern and south central parishes. The watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Tuesday, covering St. Mary, Portland, St. Thomas, Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and Manchester. Forecasters say a broad trough continues to generate unstable weather, with saturated soils increasing the risk of flooding even during light showers. Residents in flood-prone areas are urged to remain alert. Marine interests are also advised to exercise caution. New tonight, two people were killed in a fiery motor vehicle crash along the North Coast Highway in Trelawney on Sunday night. Police say a Mercedes-Benz burst into flames around 10 p.m. along the Cooper's Pen Main Road. The occupants were reportedly burnt beyond recognition. Investigations into the cause of the crash are ongoing. Meanwhile, the National Road Safety Council says speeding remains the leading cause of road fatalities in 2025.
So when you look at the police data, they offer 4 reasons why they continue to have fatal crashes in Jamaica. Number 1 is speeding without due regard to the road condition. Number 2 is overtaking recklessly. Number 3 is not staying in your lane. And number 4 is pedestrian error. So speeding and reckless driving in combination is the main reason why we have so many fatal crashes. The matter of speeding continues to be the number 1 problem. And the only way you're going to remove that from causing surges or just causing a great increase is to remove those errant drivers who persist in breaking the law. And therein lies the challenge, because the demerit point system, which is supposed to do that, didn't function in 2025, and we're hoping it will function in 2026. If you can get the demerit point system functioning and the other sanctions regime functioning effectively, then I think we have a chance to reduce the number in 2026.
He's again urging the full rollout of the demerit points system while the Heart NSTA prepares to expand the training for motorcyclists. Developing tonight, 3 men were shot dead during a police operation in St. Tulis near the Manchester-Clarendon border. Reports say that officers came under gunfire while searching for suspects, leading to a confrontation in which 2 firearms were seized. The incident occurred around noon today. Investigations continue. Let's talk about some good news tonight. In St. Mary, police are commending a taxi operator who discovered 6.38 rounds inside his vehicle and turned them over to authorities. The ammunition was found while the operator was washing his car in Baileysville, Port Maria. Police praised the man's honesty and urged the public to report illegal items to help keep communities safe. And finally tonight, Jamaican-born Mayor Denise Grant of Lauderhill, Florida, has been named one of Legacy Magazine's 2025 Most Influential Black Women. Mayor Grant was recognized for her leadership in public service, senior relief programs, food security initiatives, youth mentorship, and infrastructure development. She dedicated the honor to her community and pledged to continue advancing equity and opportunity. Wow, well, loko but watalawa, right? Congratulations, Mayor Grant. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. This year, we've got great rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, You unlock rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a FUI Star or FUI Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shoutout. Thank you for joining, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.